A lot of you probably already know the secret to a lot of us content creator, cake decorator people is we use dummy cakes for videos. We use zombie cakes for videos, meaning we use the same cake over and over again because we have to save time and we have to save money. But a benefit to that is I oftentimes, after I'm done with a cake and a video, I rip the fondant off, I roll it in a ball, I wrap it in some plastic wrap, and then later I re-roll it out to see what it looks like. And I think that's a lot of fun because I never know. Some turn out really cool, some not as cool. So the first one up was this Galentine's Day cake that I did, and I thought it was really pretty. So let's see how it looks re-rolled onto a different cake. For this one, what I really liked is how the black came out. So the black that you see in the fondant was actually painted gel color that I used. Was it gel color? It might have been gel color, might have been melted cocoa butter with petal dust. I don't remember. Go rewatch the video and find out. But I like how it came out sort of speckly looking. It is different than just marbling in some black fondant. So I really like the look of that and might reuse that in a different technique later. Also, trimming off the base, the excess fondant is the most satisfying part of fondanting a cake for me. So it always is satisfying to see the clean edge come out. And if for whatever reason this video is showing up in your feed and you haven't seen my past videos, all the cakes that I'm showing with the original design, all the tutorials are also on my channel in my video section. Next up is the lily pad cake. Honestly, I wish I wouldn't have needed this one so much because I think overall the marble came out a little subtle. If I would have left more of the design intact, I think it would have made for a more interesting looking cake in the end. But still, it's subtle, soft, pretty, depending on what you're looking for. Here we've got my bright tropical macaw cake. I love this cake, you guys. It was so much fun to make. Once again, I think I would need this one a little bit less just so more of the red stood out. But I think it is a little more bold than the last cake, so I like that about it. You know, I've seen so many decorators trim the edge with a knife, and I cannot do it. Do you guys use a knife or do you use a pizza cutter? And last up, we have these buttercup cane slices left over because honestly, I only needed 4 for the video. But yeah, so I rolled that one. I did not need this one as much. So you can see that the, I don't know, it was a little more contrasty, which I like. Don't particularly like the way the pattern turned out on this one, but I do like that there was more distinction and you can see more of the original design in the marbling. I like to use my YouTube channel for experimentation, just to play around with my materials and see what happens. So, do you have a favorite? Do you think one was more successful than the others? What I think I might do in the future is combine some of the fondants together to make like a patchwork sort of cake. What do you think?